All right, team, we are out here in the wilderness. I just got done mowing, had a lot of issues. I'm on day 3 of the Fumax in Houston, and it sucks, but you gotta stick with it, right? I'm working with an Echo 2620T. It's an SRM X series. This guy is pretty robust, and I don't really have any problem with it. Now, I want to show you guys one thing here. When you're on a big job, you're fatigued, you're trying to get your things together, and you want a quick load. On this particular trimmer, there is a notch on the head of it, right? That notch will indicate where you are to lay the trimmer in through the hole. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to line that hole up with that notch, okay? And what I'm talking about is right here on this seam, center screen right there, that little heel right there, okay? So we're going to line that hole up with it, twist it, and then bam, okay? And that's different. Light on the opposite side over there, but when it's not lined up and you try to look, there's no light, okay? Now this thing is bidirectional or didirectional, so that it spins in only one direction. It's directionally biased. So what I'm doing is I'm taking my notch, I got it right here, and then I gotta line up my hole with it, like so, okay? I just lined it up. Now let's see if we can get some, there you go. You got daylight over there. Just a quick tip for you trimmers out there messing with Echo, all right? And all you're gonna do, you're gonna stick your little trimmer line in there. Just grab one end. Don't try to stick both ends together. Don't try to be fancy with it, okay? Just go one end in like that. And sometimes if the trimmer line is a little too curved, it'll fight with you on the way in. Just keep twisting it and sticking it at the same time, just how she likes it, and then you'll get it to run straight through, all right? So that's how I did it, pretty much with one hand. And then the line that you have shortest, you're just gonna pull all the way out till you can grab both at the same distance. You're gonna pull it out, stretch it like so, and then drop it out now that you know it's even. And all you're going to do is you're going to hold one hand here and the other hand on the top of the trimmer head, right? And then, right? I'm holding up the camera, the trimmer, and spinning at the same time. But you get the gist, right? I got one hand on the top right here, and then the other hand spins the head. You can try and do it the opposite direction, but it doesn't work. So, long story short on that, I don't know if you guys could hear me because the microphone was between my legs and my crotch. You're going to spin it counterclockwise to coil it up, and then you're going to rock and roll. Scorpius, checking out.